Alright, welcome back to the channel. I got something for the Land Cruiser. So, it's underneath that tarp, but it needs to be cleaned. So let's show you what it is. Turbo 400. So, picked it up on Facebook for 400 bucks, and it's quite dirty, but I'm told that the transmission works. It's an automatic, so we're gonna have to delay the whole manual transmission thing for a bit. But the key is it comes with a right drop transfer case, which I'm told has a shift linkage issue, but I don't know, this combination for 400 bucks seems to be pretty good. So worst case, I can always swap it out for something else, make a little money off of it, hopefully. But yeah, let's clean this up with the power washer and get going. Like and subscribe so I can not buy cheap stuff on the internet and clean it. So looking pretty good. Now that it's a little cleaned up, we can see some of the potential. Good to see that the gears work. I'm gonna have to check, see if I can shift that, but I need to do some more cleaning. But at least low range works, right? So, all right, let's see what's next. So there's a huge development. This was sold to me with the assumption that four-wheel drive low is the only one that works, but I believe that's for high. Neutral, it's not spinning. Four-wheel drive low. So I think I'm good. All right. Of course, that could change, but looks like we made out with a bargain on this one. So now that we have a transmission and I've changed, we're gonna start moving this thing forward, and then I'm gonna start working on the body, put the wheels back on, and yeah, that'll allow me to work on it in the driveway where it's less dusty. So let's lower this thing. the way up. Ooh. Runaway Land Cruiser. It is still in the shop, so we're still working on the Land Cruiser. Hopefully that's going to be the case probably for at least a little bit longer. They've had my bike for 2 months. You haven't seen it because I had a backlog of videos. But yeah, 2 months. Good job, all terrain. Alright, let's get the Land Cruiser out of the garage. It's a new day, and yeah, I ran out of time, so we're gonna focus on doing this because I want to, put that engine into the Land Cruiser. So in order to get the fitment right, I want to get the front piece all buttoned up, at least like raw metal, so that I can, line everything up. So make sure I've got enough clearance with the engine and everything. So we're gonna focus on doing this, and yeah, like and subscribe. Alright, one light's out, and the other one should be out instantly. So that is the front grille mostly done. I can't quite get into these slots, so I'm gonna have to get some more what is it, medium for the sandblaster. So yeah, I'll just hit that with the sandblaster, but I probably won't be able to show that, or I'm not going to show it in this video because I'm running out of time. So yeah, that's cool. All right. Alright, front grille is stripped of paint on the exterior. Again, I'm gonna have to use some sandblasting to get the back because the wire wheel doesn't really work in there. But yeah, that's it for today, or for this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.